up, Pinoy hip-hop community? Today, we're gonna show you that through your YouTube views, you can collect a good amount of check and money. There's many ways to go get your money from doing your YouTube. One of the ways we're gonna show you now, that's through Western Union. You could do it through a PayPal account or through check and they mail it to your house, but today, we'll show you that you can get it through Western Union. In our case, we got ourselves a good amount of check for this month, $1,022. So there's many ways to get it. We'll show you how to get there. I think it's important that we should all know how to make money independently. This way the corporations don't get to pimp us. The labels don't get to take advantage of us. I hope you be smart about your approach to getting money through YouTube. Like so many people know about this really. And I think in the hip-hop community at the beginning, lahat sila'y takot i-share na pwede, lahat ng mga kumikita. Marami din tumulong sa akin na natagpuan ko. Pwede palang direkta na makakuha. Dati, ipinapasok ko siya sa Pinoy Tuner, pero may konting problema doon, pero ayos lang. Nag-move on ako, meron din akong isang kumpanya na alam na makakatulong din. Pwede mo siyang idaan sa kumpanya para pag meron kang YouTube videos na ina-upload ng iba, pwede mo rin siyang pagkakitaan. Pero ito, direkta to. So, you can fill that up yourself soon. You're right here at Western Union. Payment date, November 25, 2013, Western Union. And that's how much we are seeing. And it comes from Google.
Oh, Mike. Musta?
Ayos lang.
Oh, si boss.
Sa YouTube. Nagaganon ka din?
Hindi po. Yung mga client ko kasi dito na gano'n po yun.
Pero sa Facebook, gano'n?
Tuti-fruti, mga yung salita.
Oo nga.
Ano po yung
Sa amin YouTube channels lang
na,
namin. Konektado, sunugan, yung mga rap. Mga rap.
Kayo po yung nag-edit.
Kami na rin. Tsaka mga events. Iba't ibang klase na rin.
Sir, okay lang ba yung itong amount dito? Pag sa namin ba na dito? So, nagpali yung 45.
Sige.
At yung sa, events.
Okay, thank you. This is from Google. 44,444 and 8 cents. So it's legit. You can make money off your YouTube videos. So tuturuan ko ng mga iba rin. Okay?
We're just teaching people how to make money.
We're gonna show you that. But first, gather your videos, sign up to YouTube, and then you can wait for our next episode to show you. Don't forget.
By the way, is that an American passport?
Yes. Oh,
So you're an American citizen.
sa dito.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen.
So like I said, gather your videos. Prepare them, make them look nice. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Dahil sa inyo, meron din kaming kita. Salamat ng sobra. At mababayaran namin ang aming utang dahil sa Araneta Dreams na aming pinondohan. So yung mga may utang ba ako dyan, hinay-hinay, dahan-dahan lang. Darating po, isa-isa ko kayong aasikasuhin dahil sobrang dami ang aming utang sa inyo. Salamat. So, hard work pays off, but I should have shaved.
And now,
Salamat. Oh, my bag, man.
and that's what we teach you guys how to make.
Yeah, you can do it. Every month you could go collect. There's many ways, man. And this is just the beginning. Salamat din sa mga nagturo sa akin. like I said, hindi lang isa yung way, ito yung direct way. Meron pang ibang way, meron pang ibang kumpanya na pwede rin tumulong sa atin. Depende na sa choice niyo. Ilalatag ko sa inyo lahat ng option at posibilidad para makapili kayo kung ano yung perfect para sa inyo. Pero hindi dahil kumikita ka sa YouTube, madali siya, hindi rin siya madali. Kaya sa mga konsepto at sa ganda rin ng videos, magkakataluhan. Share lang mga utol, walang problema. The richer we are in this community, the better for us and the less that other people can control, okay? I'll see you, man. Gotta keep it travel-matic.